Magic City has a long-standing relationship with Colors on Parade. They provide services for dent repair, scratches, paint work that we need on our new and our used cars.
We've established the basis for high quality repairs, and that translates through all of our guys to our customers.
It saves a ton of time for Magic City for them to be able to come here and do that job without us having to walk the lot with them and point out things. I can't tell you how valuable that is to us.
Colors on Parade is accepted just about any dealership that you walk into. We've got a great reputation in town, and we've worked hard to build it and preserve it.
We always call on Colors on Parade because of the quality that our customers demand, which I also demand.
The dealers especially trust us because they've seen what we can do. If we can do it, we're going to repair it. So most of the work is invisible. When we reach that and the customer smiles, I know I'm going to get the referrals and continue to get the work done.
Magic City would recommend Colors on Parade because of their reliability, because of their quality of work, the fact that we can count on them to come and do the job once and we don't have to ask them to come and do the job repeatedly.
Matter of fact, Colors on Parade are the only people that I recommend for my customers. Because of the excellence of the service and the repair, I have never had in 30 years a customer that has been dissatisfied with the quality that Colors on Parade delivers.